Hello guys, this is the second week of the study C++. Today I'm going to explain the selection statements. So last lesson we learned about if, else and switch methods. As we learned before in Python and Java in the past semesters, it works as we learned, and I saw the new of them, switch method. So the if is the expression, if else is the expression. While you are programming, you might have like two or three options that user might face. So in that case, we can use the if else statements. So for example, just imagine that you are selling the ticket for the attractions, and might be limit for the age like 18. If you are above the 18, you can buy the ticket. So in that case, we're gonna use the if method, and if the someone who is above the 18 can buy ticket, and if not, it's going to go to if else, and then it says that you are required to be above the 18. So it works like that. So, and what else? What we learned? And so there is also the if case, the nested if case. It says the Chunchok if son tekmun. So in here, let's see. I see. So nested if divides if, else if, and then else parts. So it's much more better than if and else if, not else if else. So it has more functions that, not like more functions, more options that you can use. So nested if is almost similar to the switch method, but a little bit inconvenient for me. So how is it gonna work? So if you have like over the three options, then you can use it like if the main stuff that you're gonna put, and then else if it doesn't meet your requirements, and then at the last, if it's not even switched to both, it might go to the else part. So it's the nested if. And what else? Let's learn about switch method.
Wait. Also, difference between Python. I wanted to mention about like we can in Python we can use like if, elif, and else, right? In our C++ case, we cannot use like short version like elif, so we have to write if, else like separately, and then it's gonna work. Okay. Switch. Right?
Switch. So the next and our last topic is switch. As we learned before, it's almost similar to the nested if, but it's much more better one. It has a multiple branch that we can use. So if we're gonna look at the example in the 18th page, so there's a like an example Sayon Moonpop. So it says that we're gonna open the switch, and then it has like some cases like case 1, case 2, or case 3. As we learned like nested if, for example, like expression has a like Cham and Kochik, like true or false. If the first statement is true, it's gonna run the first statement, and if it doesn't match it, it's just skip, and then it goes to the case 2 and case 3 and go on. And if any of the cases that matches with the expression, then it goes to the default. So the default is the anyway, even the code is run or doesn't, it's gonna work at the last. So also in here there is a break method that if the statement faces if the statements is the true, it's just stop the program and then run it. If it doesn't, it might go to the infinite looping.
Okay.
So any ideas? Trochę się sam.
Okay.